We implemented the Udder Way in conjunction with Fleurieu Milk Company, and it has been an absolute fantastic initiative by the Unley Council to assist us being able to improve our waste in the business around 2 litre plastics.
There's obviously a glass bottle which is readily available, and that bottle is washed and returned to that particular venue or another venue for a refill.
The circular economy is so important.
We've saved over 2,000 2-litre containers going into council waste bins around the Unley Council area, which I think is great, not to mention what we also save using the keg system here in our cafe.
Yes, it's a pilot. We are testing what works. We've had some experience with the 4 companies and Fleurieu Milk, and we know it's working and delivering, so we can expand the pilot.
We did have a lot more conversations around people bringing their own cups. People didn't realise the cost of our packaging, and they were quite happy to bring their own. They were very happy to do what they could to be sustainable.
The benefit in direct consultation with the council and Unley Traders was they helped mitigate the initial upfront cost, which allowed our customers to implement the system with little to no impact on the business.
The Udder Way system, along with Fleurieu Milk, has enabled us to save money as a business by being able to reduce our recycling waste pickups because we don't have so much plastic going into our bins every week.
We have managed to eliminate almost 5,000 2-litre units from landfill, so that equates to around 205 kilos in plastic waste, or the equivalent of around 9 metric tonne. And as a brand, what we would really like to do is start to identify on how many times that bottle has been reused, which we can start to accumulate some data around that as well.
So one of the most important impacts for us as Reusably, and I think for the community more broadly, is that this project with Unley brought Fleurieu Milk and Reusably together. We're now working directly with Fleurieu Milk on their reusable milk bottle system, and this is the direction that we're going in as a company. So Reusably, we've realised our specialty is actually the software and the systems behind reusables, so that other users can get impact tracking around how many times have I used this milk bottle.
We're on the right direction as a brand to keep South Australia here as a leader reducing plastic waste. The beauty of that is what we're seeing here in SA is the education around plastic waste is slowly trickling through, and the more that we can have on board, that word of mouth will travel, and we'd like to think that plastic waste and single-use plastics will be a thing of the past in years to come.